Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to show you how to set your iPhone up to take 48 megapixel pictures using that 48 megapixel sensor on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Right then, as usual, first thing to do is unlock your phone. Once you've done that, go into the settings of your iPhone. Scroll down and towards the bottom you have an option for camera. Tap on that and this is the menu with all your camera settings. You can't actually access this from the camera itself, so you have to do it from the iPhone settings. The thing to do is go to formats. It's usually the top option there. Tap on that and you'll have some sort of deeper settings. So in this case what you want to do is halfway down you have a photo capture section that gives you some explanation of what it's doing, and essentially the toggle for Apple ProRAW will enable Apple ProRAW pictures with the main sensor. And you can also select the resolution you want the output to be, 12 or 48 megapixel. But in this case we're going to use 48 megapixels. Just be warned that this does use more storage space. So let's have an example of how you use that. On your iPhone screen, turn off night mode and turn on RAW, which you should have at the top right of your screen. Then take a picture. Make sure it's not close up to anything and it's not an ultra wide picture. So in this case I'm just taking a picture of the wall in my room, in my office. And as you can see, this is the image that I just took. That's what my ceiling looks like when I'm working on videos. And if you tap on information at the bottom, it will tell you that in this case it's been taken with the iPhone 14 Pro with the main camera and it's a 48 megapixel picture. So thanks for watching if you made it this far into this quick how to set your iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max to use the 48 megapixel camera. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We could cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.